In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printer for cookie cutters that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. QIDI Max 3 3D Printer. The QIDI Technology Max 3 3D Printer is a high-performance machine designed for both professionals and beginners, offering an impressive maximum printing speed of 600 mm per second and a large build volume of 325 by 325 by 315 mm. Fully assembled and featuring auto leveling, it utilizes an ultra-stable all-metal frame and advanced components such as a 6 mm thick aluminum heat bed, hardened linear shafts, and high-quality drive belts to ensure reliable and consistent printing over time. The Max 3 supports a wide range of materials, including PLA, ABS, and specialty filaments like carbon fiber and glass fiber, allowing for versatile printing options. With its enclosed chamber heating system and dual cooling fans, the printer achieves high precision and detailed output, making it suitable for intricate designs and prototypes. Furthermore, it operates on an open-source Clipper firmware with QIDI software for user-friendly remote control and customization options, positioning the Max 3 as a standout choice in the realm of large-format 3D printing. Number 2. Original Prusa i3 MK3S Plus. The original Prusa i3 MK3S Plus is the latest iteration of the award-winning 3D printer series, designed for reliability and ease of use. This fully assembled and tested printer comes equipped with a US power supply, an 8GB SD card, and a sample of Prusa and PLA filament to get you started right away. It features advanced capabilities such as fully automatic mesh bed leveling, an IR filament sensor for auto-loading, and print pausing when filament runs out. Built with high-quality components like genuine Gates belts, Bondtech drive gears, and an EINSY Rambo motherboard, the MK3S Plus delivers exceptional performance and durability. With its user-friendly setup and lifetime technical support from Prusa Research, it is an ideal 3D printing workhorse for professionals and hobbyists alike. Number 3. Anycubic Kobra 2 Pro. The Anycubic 3D printer is a high-performance metal device designed for rapid printing, boasting a remarkable speed increase of up to 10 times compared to conventional FDM 3D printers, with a maximum speed of 500 mm per second and a recommended speed of 300 mm per second, powered by a robust Cortex A7 1.2 GHz processor. It delivers substantial computing power for efficient calculations and command execution, further enhancing its printing capabilities. The printer features an innovative structure that includes an optimized direct extruder and advanced movement systems, which facilitate precise filament delivery and rapid melting and cooling processes, resulting in smooth prints with minimal layer lines. Additionally, it incorporates one-click vibration compensation technology that uses an internal G-sensor to detect and adjust for resonance frequencies, effectively eliminating unwanted vertical lines. The LeviQ 2.0 auto leveling system allows for intelligent Z-axis offset compensation, accommodating various user needs and environments. With its compact dimensions of 17.1 inch dx 17.1, wx 19.1 h and a weight of 10.55 kilograms, the Anycubic 3D printer is both powerful and user-friendly, making it an excellent choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Number 4. ELEGOO MAS for MSLA. The ELEGOO MAS for Resin 3D printer is a feature-rich device designed for precision and ease of use, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced users. It is equipped with a 7-inch 9K mono LCD, offering an impressive 8520 by 4320 resolution and 18 micrometers XY resolution for highly detailed and crisp prints. The printer features a generous build volume of 153.36 by 77.76 by 175 mm cubed, 6.0 for by 3.06 by 6.89 inches, providing ample space for creative projects without compromising accuracy. Its COB light source ensures uniform exposure with a 405 nanometers wavelength, resulting in consistent and reliable prints. The laser-carved build plate enhances adhesion, improving printing success rates, while the 3.5-inch touchscreen with a model preview function and real-time progress bar offers a user-friendly interface for monitoring and adjustments. Weighing 16 pounds and made from durable ABS, aluminum, and polycarbonate materials, the MAS4 is a robust and reliable printer. Additionally, ELEGOO provides professional technical support, responding within 24 business hours to ensure customer satisfaction. It is recommended for beginners, though children should use it under adult supervision. Number 5. Official Creality Ender 3v3 SE. The Creality 3D Printer's Ender 3v3 SE is a high-performance 3D printing machine designed for speed and precision, capable of printing at fast speeds of up to 250 mm per second. With a build volume of 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches, it is ideal for various printing projects. The printer features the CR Touch automatic bed leveling system and a Sprite Direct extruder, ensuring enhanced printing quality and reliability. Weighing 20.17 pounds, it is compatible with laptops and smartphones and supports the step file format. Priced at $320.94, it has received mixed reviews, holding an average rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars from 59 users, available at the Creality store in a sleek black color.